have my husband, which is also my customer. And I did want to welcome you back for another video. How exciting is that? So he actually bought products from me. Woohoo! Shocker, right? So we're opening the boxes now. We're going to show you what's in them. And I ordered some stuff. He ordered some stuff. Even if this is not his stuff that's in the boxes, he's still going to help me out with this.
I'm not wearing any of the makeup.
Okay, so first of all, open that. Just open that, but don't. Okay. So first box we got. Would you stop? Stop it.
That's not popcorn.
So weird. Oh my goodness. Guess who we're starting with? And your box is open. Why is it open?
Somebody already tried it.
No, somebody did already try it.
It's a sample.
This one is MK Men Advanced Eye Cream.
Ooh.
I don't know if you can
Need
see
that
that
for my
how up
wrinkles.
close, but yes, you do put it under your wrinkles, and it's just an eye firming cream. So I'm gonna take it out of the box.
We're gonna use it right now.
No. And basically, this is what it looks like. And that would be his. So these are gonna be his products.
I get some advanced eye cream. In your eye or around your eye?
No, you put like a dime size amount, and then you're gonna put it on your ring finger, and then you're gonna dab it underneath like that. I know that seems early, but that's the way you do it.
Gets rid of my crow's eye.
It helps with your fine lines and your fine wrinkles.
Oh.
Okay, so this is another product that I'm hoping that he will use today, because I don't know if you can tell, but he needs a shave. So this is the Shave Foam.
I already shaved.
Shave Foam.
That's not close.
It's not as close as it probably would be with this. Next we have the Cooling After Gel. So right after you shave, right after you do your whole thing, you're going to use this to prevent all the red bumps, the breakouts, whatever else that you have on your skin. So there is this Cooling Shave Gel.
My ingrown hairs. Maybe.
Why don't you put them here so you can display the product?
Sorry.
Excuse his unprofessionalness.
These were all part of a kit, I believe. I think it was one kit.
Okay. Next we have the Daily Facial Wash. Plain and simple.
Wash your face.
Wash your face in the morning and wash your face at night. So we're gonna open this bad boy here. And it comes in a tube. So there's your face wash. And then last but not least, in this box, we have the Advanced Facial Hydrator. So after he's done washing his face, shaving his face, putting the After Cool Gel on, and then the eye firming cream, he's gonna do this. He's gonna put the Advanced Facial Hydrator on to protect his skin from daily free radicals and an SPF for the sun. So there is that. And what's cool about these products is they're not pink. They come in really cool men's colors. So there's that. And that's it for this box. So, Bill, let's open the other box.
Okay.
Okay. So the second box, I'm not worried about that right now. Oh, these are all Bill's. Okay, these are all Bill's products. So Bill's unboxing. Let's just call those Bill's unboxing, right?
That I waited for.
He has this cologne spray. Cologne spray. Look at that. Let me show you the bottle. I have heard from many people that the men that buy this spray, the women the wives that smell this, they just go nuts. But this is what the bottle looks like after you take it out of the packaging.
Did you just show it backwards?
No, I did not.
Okay.
Um,
Slide that at the bottom.
Here. Bill's gonna, oh, actually, it does slide out the bottom. So, this is, so it stays in there when you're not
Fancy.
using it.
Fancy.
But basically,
Original true.
right there. And I'm gonna smell it right now. Come on.
That's really good.
Okay, and then
Can't use that one now.
last but not least, here's another cologne spray. This one actually comes in a really cool box. Don't know if you can see the iridescence of the box, but it's called Cologne Spray Ocean, High Intensity Ocean. Now that he put, oh, this room's really, really good. Ooh, that's awesome. But you take it out of the box. Here. I don't know why you put
Sorry,
that here.
I put that in the wrong spot.
Anyway, this is what the blue ocean looks like when you take it out of the box. Cool, fancy, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna smell this one. If I can take the lid off. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Okay. Ooh, that one has a clean smell to it.
I can't use it right now because I put the other
Yeah,
one.
you put the other one on, so this room would be filled with fragrance. But anyway, that is the men's products. If you're interested in any of these products, please comment or message me below. I will put the links in the description. Please like this video. Please click the thumbs up. Also subscribe to this video. And caring is sharing. Caring is sharing. And also click the little bell icon down below just so that you can get an update on new Mary Kay videos and new products and new tutorials. And we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.